Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This week we are looking at something called What3Words. You heard me right, What3Words. We're going to find out exactly what that is and how it integrates with your Mercedes-Benz. Ever seen this before? You're given a postcode to meet someone, and when you arrive, sometimes it's not particularly easy to find them or even the place that you're looking for. Whether you're a delivery driver, meeting friends, or just trying to find a place. This is what postcodes show you, an area that contains lots of houses, and yes, you might have that house number, but as you're driving down that road, you might end up being that slow person trying to find that house and sometimes even inevitably making the wrong turn. And this is where What3Words have come in. What3Words have actually mapped the whole of planet Earth with all of these small little squares, and they're all approximately 3 by 3 meters. And do you know how many squares that is? That's 57 trillion squares. 57 trillion. That number is just absolutely massive. So yeah, there's a lot of squares there, but the cool thing is that each one of those squares has its own 3 words. So the What3Word address of this table is laughs, amuses, solar. And on this table all the way over here is absorb, votes, officials. So each one of these places, each one of these squares has its own 3-word address. You can find stuff so easily. There's no postcodes and getting lost and having to turn around in the middle of the road or anything like that. You just literally need to know those 3 words, and the phone will actually tell you exactly where that 3-word address is. And Mercedes-Benz have actually implemented this into cars as well. So there's no app to download, nothing to install, nothing to update. As long as you have NTG 5.5 or MBUX, you can go straight to a What3Word address. So this one is twice hugs spins, which is here at Mercedes-Benz pool entrance. So this bit here, the entrance to Mercedes-Benz pool, is twice hug spins. So using What3Words is super easy in your Mercedes-Benz. As I said, it's already pre-built into the map data, so you don't need to download anything. As I said, there's no apps to download. You quite simply need to know the 3-word address you want to go to. So to get that 3-word address of your exact location or a location you want to go to, you'll need to download the What3Words app or go onto the What3Words website. And when you click on one of the squares, it will show you what that What3Word address is for the square you've selected. And as I said, there are a lot of squares around the world. There are quite a few. So, say we were to navigate to Mercedes-Benz pool, to the entrance I just showed you. We are going to go, hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Navigate to What3Words, twice hugs spins.
Please select an entry.
1.
The route is being calculated.
And it's as simple as that. To summarise, basically just go to the app or the What3Words website to find out the exact location. And in the car, quite simply, you just say, hey Mercedes, navigate to What3Words, and then the What3Words. And as I said, this does also work on NTG 5.5 as well. Quite simply, you just nudge the voice commands button up and you say, navigate to What3Words, and then you say the What3Words. You just leave the hey Mercedes bit out. As I always say guys, if you liked today's video, do hit that like button down below and subscribe if you aren't already. Until next time, we'll see you all then.